University. As a reminder, don't forget items or to
हेलो देयर एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर हैविंग अ गुड डे। तो यार आज की वीडियो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग रहने वाली है। आज की वीडियो में मैं साहिल गोगना भैया को मिलने जा रहा हूँ, एक उनके ही अपने नेटवर्किंग इवेंट के ऊपर। तो मैंने उस दिन लिंक्डइन के ऊपर एक पोस्ट देखी थी, साहिल भैया ने डाली थी कि एक नेटवर्किंग इवेंट हो रहा है, नेटवर्किंग विद आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स। उसके अंदर और भी लोग होंगे आईटी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जो प्रोफेशनली काम कर रहे हैं। तो मैंने सोचा काफ़ी एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है सबके साथ नेटवर्क करने की एंड साहिल भैया को भी इन पर्सन मिलने की, क्योंकि मैं उनके वो काफ़ी टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, उनकी इंस्टाग्राम वीडियोस, यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर भी, लिंक्डइन के ऊपर भी। तो काफ़ी बढ़िया रहने वाला है। एंड बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। एंड अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो अभी जाके कर दो, बेल आइकन को दबा दो ताकि आप कोई भी अपडेट मिस आउट ना करो। एंड अब चलते हैं वीडियो के अंदर। टोरंटो के लिए निकले हुए हैं, मेरे हिसाब से 1 घंटे के अंदर पहुँच जाएंगे एंड जाके देखते हैं क्या सीन है। यार भी ऑलमोस्ट रीच, बस जा रहे हैं। मेरे हिसाब से 1 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे। ये सामने वाली बिल्डिंग ही है, देखते हैं। 87 एल्म स्ट्रीट है और अभी हम 101 के पास हैं। बस 2 मिनट और फिर चलते हैं अंदर एंड जाके देखते हैं क्या सीन है। It's difficult, but I'm grateful you guys are here, and I hope you make the most out of it. Yeah?
So I was saying that for a long time we were trying to plan for this event, but since we are just so much involved in our 9 to 5 jobs, and practically it's not very possible for us to arrange for such big event where we can accommodate so many people, and we don't have any kind of experience in organizing like this, right? So we were just wondering like how to make sure about the logistics, how to get the venue and everything. And this Monday, last Monday, right? We were just sitting and we just figured, okay, anyhow, let's do it.
Your bubble, getting exposure, getting a direction. If I were to ask you how to become a pilot, what would you do?
I have had the chance to work with multiple startups as well as large embassies in Canada. And I look forward today to have conversation with you, share my journey, answer your questions. If you have any
Systems architect. I came to Canada 5 years back and I have my own software company. I'm happy to see so many people out here, and as Sai said,
Amy Waterloo and I went to McMaster last week to deliver a keynote. My goal here today is not really to tell you about my job, but it's more so how you can get into my job. So that's really what I'm here to do.
yeah?
Yeah.
Raise of hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
all the colleagues start with I am Sahil, I'm a data engineer.
Now we are all jealous. I know we are all jealous now. We should go with you. Senior data scientist with a company called Nielsen IQ. Nielsen IQ is a market research company. Within my 6 years of work experience, I worked as a business analyst, as a senior data scientist.
I researched them, I cold emailed them, I offered my services. It was a numbers game and it paid off. So when before coming to Canada, I started doing this, and within a month of planning into Canada, I already have a project from the client who reached out directly to me on LinkedIn, and I earned $4,000 within 45 days, and was a big win at the stage. So, and there are two things I did to achieve that. For LinkedIn, first of all, you have to build a network. You have to make sure that you are reaching out to the professionals, you're creating a personalized connection with them. This is not going to only expand your network, but also make you stand out. What I mean by that is your profile will be visible.
Sounds fancy, right? I get a lot of students come up to me and tell me they know Reddit, they know Transformers. I tell them that's awesome. Do you know what p-value is in hypothesis testing? And they're not even fancy. So one thing that's been a common topic is knowing your basics. Right? And in terms of data science, you really have to understand your core machine learning models and also the statistics behind it.
तो अब ऐसे करते हैं, स्वप्निल का एक्सपीरियंस पूछते हैं कि उसको कैसे का लगा इवेंट।
इवेंट बहुत बढ़िया था। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। सभी से बहुत अच्छे से बात हुई, नया नेटवर्क बिल्ड हुआ और ऊपर से इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट से आपको पता चलता है कि इंडस्ट्री में क्या चल रहा है, तो वो आपके लिए करियर में बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है। आपको पीछे जॉब कैसे मिलेगी उसके लिए आप उनसे एडवाइस ले सकते हो। वो आपको अच्छे से एडवाइस भी किया सबने कि क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस बन सकते हो, बिल्ड योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, बिल्ड योर नेटवर्क एंड हाउ to create good projects. And one great advice which I received was create meaningful projects which solve some problems. If you have an e-commerce site, everybody can create e-commerce site, but if you can create such a project which can solve a particular problem, then it will be might helpful in your future to getting the jobs.
डेफिनेटली दैट वाज ग्रेट इनसाइट्स। अब ऐसे करते हैं, शकीला और शुभकर्मन को बुलाते हैं और उनसे पूछते हैं उनके इनसाइट। लेट्स गेट टू हियर द फीडबैक फ्रॉम शकीला एज वेल एज शुभकर्मन।
Hey guys, so this event was good. What I learned is about impact of your projects that you make. So I didn't think about this, but they're like you have to be able to explain the impacts of the projects you make rather than just talking about the technology, which is actually important because right now I probably do projects. I do have projects in my in my list, but I've only known the workflow or the technologies we used. But then if we focus on how it impacts society and everything, I feel like it'll be more impressive to the recruiter, and they will probably remember you better for that. Yeah, but that's the main thing I learned.
Hi Sarthak, thank you for having me. So one of the key learning that I had today was to create that extra effort for whatever thing we are trying to do, may it apply for a job or already working in specific field. It's always that extra efforts that matters, and I think that's the one. I think that's the one impactful learning that I'll have today. And it's always nice to see my good friends in these kind of events and to catch up and talk about different things. Yeah, thank you, Sarthak.
And talking about my feedback, one thing which I learned is about storytelling. So let's say if you are in an interview or you are meeting someone, if you are able to narrate a story about what you do, or let's say if you are showcasing a project, that is what will make you stand out. And it was a really good event. Thanks to Sahil Bhaiya and his whole team and everyone. It was an amazing opportunity to network with everyone. It was an amazing opportunity to connect with everyone here and getting to know the insights of the industry. And as always, thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day. जल्दी मिलते हैं आने वाली अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर।